Babe, what is it giving?
It's giving body yalll on a hottie toddy, you feel me?
I won't let you go. So let it show. Oh yeah, let it show. Let it show.
Look what we got. Look what we got. Look what we got. Look what we got. Yeah, get into it. Y'all see it? So today, y'all, we got some shapewear. And of course, it is plus size friendly because duh, it's giving plus size. So I received this plus size shapewear from Nobility, which is a company on Amazon that is currently flourishing. I've actually been seeing them all over TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you feel me? So yeah, we finna get into this try on haul and I'm gonna show y'all how it fits. All right, so one thing I definitely noticed right off the bat is how stretchy it is. It's super stretchy, which definitely gives it's gonna be comfortable. I give them face, give them body, give them luscious. What's the price? Up it. Yeah, you know, of course. All right, so I got mine in a 2X, y'all. A 2X, cause I did want it to fit kind of snug and I wasn't really sure how it would fit. So I was just like, all right, let me just get a 2X cause that's kind of like around my shirt size. So yeah. One thing I definitely like, it has a zipper, but then it also has the little hooks. And I feel like that's always gonna definitely give more support. So we're gonna go ahead and try it on. And another thing I really love about it is the fact that it has the straps, because y'all know like any other waist trainer or shapewear, it just comes right here and that's pretty much it. So I genuinely appreciate the fact that I can just like throw it on like a vest. All right, let's throw this bad boy on. All right, so as y'all can see, it's very stretchy. And we're gonna put it on this first hook. And just fasten it all the way down. Okay. Let's finish fastening it. All right, as y'all can see, I officially got it all fastened up. And this is how it's fitting. Like, what? Y'all see that? And it's so comfortable. Like, it's not like all that other shapewear that be having the little wires and stuff all in it, but it still has a really good hold, as y'all can see. And then now we're gonna zip up the zipper. And of course it also has a hook right here at the top. And I love that it comes up so high because it got like that blue lifting thing going on too. Like what? Just getting my life right now. Like what? And I'm finna be back in the gym real soon. So what is it giving? Babe, what is it giving?
It's giving body yalll on a hottie toddy, you feel me? Love it.
Yeah, y'all see it. I haven't had a shapewear this good in a minute. So yeah, of course I'm gonna definitely leave all the links and information in the description box below. And I don't got nothing else to say, but my camera is finna die. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.